In any of IRSA's archives that are served using tools that have the same look and feel, you can have multiple window panes in your results. You can have an image window pane and a table window pane. You can have lists of observations and a data coverage tab. You can have a list of targets, many small images, a list of catalog results, and plots. You can have images with catalogs overlaid, a plot, and a table. For any of these, you have these expand arrows. If you click on them, it will expand to take up all of the space in your browser. Click Close to put it back the way it was. To expand the plot, click on that, click Close to go back. For the table, click that, and click Close to go back the way it was. You can also grab and drag the divider between the window panes.